Baked rocks. Baked rocks.
Funny. Tells you all about
This reserve.
Julie was right. She said she should have put a hat on. And I didn't. Nah, I'm fine. I'll be brave now.
Yeah.
I'm growing inside out.
If anybody knows what these mushrooms are called,
Put it in the comments.
In the comments.
It was so funny. I wish I'd had the camera. He just went in. Well, hello. We're on our travels. We've just done some work, and we thought we'd have a trip to Waterfalls. This is look.
See the gushing water down there. The way down there.
This is the parking place.
Must be
Just let you know
parking.
if it's just to park here. Let's have a look.
It's there.
£5 to park.
£5 to park.
There is a car park right down the bottom I saw as we were coming up, and that was free. So if you want to do a bit of walking, you can certainly park for free further down. Or if you want to do driving, then you can drive all the way up. There we go, so there is quite a bit of parking. I don't think you get your motorhome up here.
No.
You might do.
Yes, it's a pain here. It says it's 300 metres. It's still £5 parking here.
Opens and closes at 5 PM.
So
1st of October to the 31st of March. It's a little bit bumpy. Bumpy. Can't park overnight here, we've just seen that on the sign, so.
and you can't camp here either.
Oh, there's toilets out there.
Yeah.
We'll park here, look, we'll sneak in here.
So we've just parked up in this car park, and Craig's going to get a ticket because it's £5 to park. As it says, you can't camp overnight and you can't pitch a tent. So they've got toilets there if you need to have a toilet, if you need to go to the toilet, which is handy. And we're surrounded by woodland. There's Craig getting the ticket. So we're going to go and take you for a walk around the falls. I'll just take you over here. It explains everything. So we've got here, this is the walk. And it's a nature reserve. And these are all what you could find on your way round, and there's the fall. So we will take you around with us. Back together again. Because you've got that distance, haven't you? So where are we? We're
here.
Here, yeah.
You are here.
So you've got to walk all the
All
way
the way
up.
up here. Boothen and an ant. It was quite a way then, yeah?
Yeah. But then you've got like birds that you can spot. And that's the actual waterfall that we're going to go and take you to see.
Ooh.
So,
In the footsteps of princes. Waterfall.
Waterfall has been a backdrop to life in the valley since ancient times, and the area was one of the strongholds of the princes of Gwynedd. Look out for the Iron Age hut, circles, Bronze Age graves and medieval remains along the route to the waterfall.
Ooh,
So, let's go and see if we can find them.
Waterfall. Well, it's quite a busy place because this car park's absolutely rammed already. Look, it's only early. Well, it's early. What time is it? About 11 now?
It's about quarter to 11.
Quarter to 11, so not early, but we've been out early.
We were actually going to find this little village,
That's for another time.
but that's for another time. So
I'm not going to say too much to that. So
But
that
that'll
could
be a good
on
one.
A future.
That'll be on a future vlog.
Yeah.
So look out for it. So we've got Waterfalls, hour and a half to 2 hours walk. So it's quite a walk there. You gotta love nature, haven't you, everyone? Look at that. Beautiful. And me, I could listen to this all night and I'm straight to sleep. I love the sound of running water. It's gorgeous. So anyway, we're going to crack on and get a move with it. You ready for the long walk? An hour and a half.
Oh, it's only probably about the same distance as to San Sebastian.
Yeah, I was less than that. But this isn't like a straight road, is it? So we're on the climb up. People are already coming down. Have they been to the top and come back down already? Probably. We're late to the party. And we're here, look. No, not really, that's the first hill. We're still 2 3/4 miles away. Could we not just drove up to it? No.
Look at the snow still on the mountains.
Yeah, we can see it from here in this picture. Snow still in the mountains there.
Do you know that hill killed me?
It's a good uphill that was, wasn't it? At least got the right shoes on again. Well, got work boots on, but plenty of grips.
I thought it was only Lee and Jodie that took us up hills, but
Obviously not, we do it ourselves now. Obviously got into it, going up hills. Enjoy the beautiful scenery. It is nice. I think it's middle of January. It's not overly cold today, is it? It is. It is at all.
it is, I'm freezing.
Look at this family here can do it with all these little kiddies. We can do it. We can do it.
Come on. Oh, God.
And he's a puddle. It's going to be 3 hours before we get there, not 2. Come on, Julie, yeah, come on, Julie. Are you okay? You finished? Already?
Yeah.
Come back to you when we see something exciting. Julie says she thinks a place like this, damn it. Elevator, escalator, poo bins. I thought we're knackered going up here. So I wouldn't do this walk unless you're pretty fit. Yeah, pretty fit. I'm not fit by any means, but I'll power through it somehow. For you.
There's the waterfall.
It's not very impressive, no. Perhaps there's a bigger one further up. Let's go. A bit muddy there. That tree is even lying down. Look, it's so hard coming up here. Just nice to be out and about in the fresh air. Breathe it into your lungs, it just makes you feel alive. And maybe nearly dead if you like, Julie. So that's had pneumonia. She's fine before you had pneumonia, weren't you, darling?
Yeah.
Pneumonia and having the lungs washed out, it's definitely put a makes it more hard work for you. You should be really fit.
Anything flat, I can do.
Or down now.
Or downhill.
Little nests in the trees from before, I suppose. Don't know if they're still used now.
Nah.
Be a lovely place to come, this would, when it's all the trees have got the leaves on. But probably this is the best time because it's cool, and as you walk up these big hills, you can
Yeah, it's too hot.
it's too hot in the summer, wouldn't it? Unless you're super fit, like our friends Lee and Jodie. They would go up here, they run up here, wouldn't even think about it. Not us. We're old, gnarly, and knackered.
Maybe that's a rabbit hutch over there.
Someone's house. And what this notice board says. Doesn't look like an old tin Doofer, doesn't it? A doofer, wherever a doofer is, let's just say. Oh, that's a shame. It's got a bit damaged. If you can read that. There you go. Quite interesting. Quite interesting. Paul's just never read of that.
A lot of piles of logs, so they must chop them down and
Must have been falling them for some reason, yeah. Probably stop them falling.
unless it's for this house here for the log.
Oh, interpretive display. This tells you a bit about the place as well. This glacier carved valley and river gouge gorge has attracted people for thousands of years.
So if you look on here, it tells you all about baked rocks. Baked rocks.
It's really funny. It tells you all about
This
baked
reserve
rocks.
is famous for its waterfall.
A volcano baked cliff.
Yeah.
A river with 3 names. Wow. So you can pause any of these at your time and have a read through them. It's quite interesting. Tells you about roundhouses and ancient dwellings overlooking the hill forts.
Wow, moist conditions create Celtic rainforest.
Don't like that word.
No.
Moist. Who likes moist as a word? He's changing that, doesn't it? It's something else. Rarest of the lichens. Wow. Yeah, so there's a lot to see here if you're into your nature or just your history.
We've got a diagram here, like a
Diagram of which way you
the
are.
landscape
That's
of,
good actually, yeah.
yeah.
The parking's here.
With there.
That's where we parked and we're
And
going
then
to
we're
look.
going all the way up here to the Waterfalls.
Wow. So it's quite a way, so you can see how far it is. It's quite an old trek like. And there's a little Welsh to English translations if you want to see them.
Oh look, that's why they do it. Why they chop there. It's because they make shoes from logs, clogs. Are clog makers. Whereas like alder, because apparently it would mould to the shape of your foot. And more recently, coppiced alder here has been used for charcoal making.
Oh, there you go.
So there you go. So they used to use it to make logs.
Clogs. And now they use it to make logs.
Clogs. Yeah.
Clog making, there you go.
Yeah.
Put your clogs on.
So
So it said the clog makers would set up camp in the valley to harvest the alder wood to produce soles for the popular choice of footwear of the time. It is also likely that coppice timber would have been used to produce charcoal for the furnaces for forging of metals.
that's an educational tour as well for children, yeah.
There's like a little hut there. What's that? It's private, right? Look there too. So have a look. See what it is. It's a private dwelling of some kind. There's a warden's house or something of it.
It says private on it anyway. I thought it might have been one of them huts. What are they called? You get
Bothy.
Bothy in Snowdonia, don't you?
Bothies.
That's another story. When we go and try and find a bothy.
A bothy.
And
Hunt for the
maybe
bothy.
stay the night and see if it's spooky.
Ooh. Right, let's carry on.
Look at the clouds.
Yeah, the clouds, that's how high we are up in these mountains. Little weather station here, look.
Oh gosh, yeah.
That's useful. Natural Resources Wales weather station. See what it says. Look at
It
that.
records the birds' weather.
Yeah, there's a little weather station here. What's this here? The snow still in the mountains. Look great for me. Can you hear that in the distance? Can you actually see it in the distance? We can hear it really well from here. I don't know if this camera's going to pick it up. Julie's
Temperature keeps up and down, up and down. Maybe it's because I'm walking.
Probably.
I'm getting too hot.
too hot, too cold. If you keep slowing down, that's the problem.
Oh, and it's very trying to trees up now. Look.
Yeah, well now, isn't it?
I wonder if you can find the stick man there.
You've seen some sights these trees of it, haven't they?
Wow,
If they could
wow.
talk. Wow.
Looks like we're heading into the clouds, but
Yeah. Feels like it's all my ears.
yeah.
Freezings. Julie was right. She said she should have put a hat on.
Don't mind
And I
that.
didn't. Nah, I'm fine. I'll be brave now.
There's quite a few waterfalls, isn't there?
Yeah,
There's one there.
another one over there. Is that Reed Vowr?
Yeah,
Whatever it was. Radeir Vowr?
is that the Aberfall then?
I think it must be.
Wow, I bet that came down with a bang.
Yeah, but did it? If trees fall in the forest and nobody's there, can you actually make a sound? Oh.
Besides that,
Yeah.
it's not hillside. There's got loads of mushrooms running out there.
What, the ones that grow to wood?
Yeah, well, look at them.
I know, I can see them, yeah.
They look like if you pop them, blood would run out.
Ooh, not mushroom here.
And then you've got these
Like
little ones
inverted
that are-
mushrooms, don't they?
Yeah.
Growing inside out.
If anybody knows what these mushrooms are called,
Put it in the
drop
comments.
it in the comments.
Apart from being tree mushrooms, tree fungi.
Tree fungi.
Hey, you're the fungi.
I don't know what them are now.
The
Like
Other.
box sacks of
plus.
something.
Oh, it is nice here. Very peaceful and tranquil.
I once stayed in the travel lodge and there was a waterfall at the back and you could hear it at night and it was like so soothing to go to sleep to.
See? Give you all the information on this channel. Even about travel lodges with waterfalls behind them. Stick with us. Feels like I'm going backwards. We're just thinking it's getting a bit easier, and then it didn't.
Oh,
Careful, Jules. Something with steps when they're not the even heights. Your brain can't work it out, can it? When they're all different heights. You're not hitting your feet.
hang on.
Wow. Whew. One steps, steep that is, yeah, steep climb. I reckon I could have come the other way, there's like a little bridge here.
Getting a taxi.
Should we go that way? Them trees just randomly growing there. It's weird, isn't it? I think just nature just goes wherever it wants to.
Can I be say?
You can.
I've just walked up all them steps.
There's a nice easy path
There's
there.
a nice easy path there.
Go straight up there. Nice little bridge. Then people that in front of us were behind us quite a way. And they're quite a way in front of us. We don't like to do things easy, do we? What's the point in that?
Should have stick to the old YouTube name. If anyone can remember what the old YouTube name was, put it in the comments.
And shall we go back to it?
I'm sure we go back to that one. That's immense.
That's good, isn't it? See, it's worth the walk now, look. We knew we'd get here, honestly.
I thought after that first hill, if there was another one, that was it.
Worth it for that though, look at it. Well,
How beautiful is that?
oh,
I'll give you a couple of facts right now. If you're not good on your feet, don't try it.
what's the next one?
The next fact is, when you get here, stunning.
Yeah, another one. Bring some water with you. Don't fall off the edge.
Oh wow.
Wow. This is something to come and see and behold, to be honest.
And it's quite surprising, there's quite a lot of people come here.
Yeah.
Quite
I said
a lot
before
of
the
people.
car park was packed. Well, all the car parks were packed. There's 3-4 car parks here.
Yeah,
They're all busy.
but it's well worth the £5
Yeah, it's
park.
good.
But I'd park up as far as you can.
Yeah, like I say, I've got all day, so you know, you get here early. You've got till 5 o'clock at night when it closes, so it's all good. Just take your time, just wheel your way up. Can't. You're gonna have to come here to. That's unbelievable, isn't it? Wow. Should have bought the big camera.
Yeah.
Wow, that is unbelievable. Lived here all these years, and it's the first time to come.
It's like one of them films, you know, you see them films where they're having a wash under the...
Waterfall.
or hiding from someone.
Yeah, behind the waterfall. It's our very own Niagara Falls. Wow. Some people are very brave getting really near it. How close can we go? Wow. Stunning. Isn't nature amazing? Really amazing. Isn't that the Waterfall there when it's summer? In there and have a rinse off and the heat cools off down. Wow. Just immense. Immense. Love it. You know it? If you went an awkward way. Like if you went the awkward way. Shame we didn't get on camera, I just slipped over on a rock. I'll go a different way. I'll get up this rock if it kills me. That was funny. So this rock here in front of me, I just slipped off, went straight in that water down there. So now look, I'm soaking wet. The things I do for YouTube. Beautiful. Crazy woman. Yeah, don't try and go up here if it's too slippy.
We're going back now.
It's what?
We're going back now.
Why? Not too bad actually. I didn't spend long enough in there.
Are you wet?
Not so bad, you know. This boots are waterproof. Hey?
You just said, I haven't got any babe. Oh, I could just tell you. It was so funny. It was so funny. I wish I'd had the camera. He just went in.
So that was exciting, wasn't it, Jules?
Yeah.
I hope we've got that footage. That's funny.
I think, do you know what? We couldn't even do, I can't even say, we couldn't even sign the video off because Craig's wet.
Yeah, we'll do it in a minute though, don't worry.
We'll
get back to the car park. So we're on the way back down now.
Ooh.
Yeah, try not to record and I think I've got this hat on because Julie's worried. She didn't want me to get cold after having a dunk.
Dunk?
So I knew I said earlier on the vlog that water would look really nice to jump in the summer. Don't do it in the winter, it's bloody freezing. Especially when you're slipping on bikes. If it had been on purpose, it wouldn't have been so bad. I wouldn't have known it was going to be cold, but so we're heading down now. We'll take you with us on the way back down anyway. Let's go. Yeah, so if you're coming up here and you're doing filming, don't try and film and go up the rocks at the same time. It won't end well. The rocks didn't look slippy to me, but Julie said they did look slippy. But they were slippy, obviously, because I've got nice grippy boots on, and I went for a dunk.
He's got nice, wet, grippy, wet shoes.
I have. My shoes are squelchy now. I had nice warm socks as well. The socks are really nice and warm still, and my shoes are warm, but they're just squelchy. So at least I put the right foot gear on. It's just a bit wet now.
Or bring spare clothes like Julie's done.
Yeah, bring spare clothes, definitely. Right, let's show you some nice scenery instead of us. Quiet and tranquil and things, but
it's not quiet.
There's a lot of footfall here.
Your foot fell, didn't it?
Shut up. It was a good one, that one, Julie. Very quick, very witty. But your foot will fall in. We're still bugging by water in a minute, you know. You can still go in.
Yeah, but it'll be under my protection, not yours.
Will it just? That's what she thinks. Watch your step, Jules. You might just fall in.
I've got to say, it's a lot more easier going down than coming up.
To actually see the waterfall in person, it's really nice. It's beautiful. It's very tranquil. But it's not so tranquil when you're so close and personal to it. That's a bit too much, to be honest. So I wouldn't really bother getting that up close and personal with it. Nice, you want to, if you just like wild camp here.
You're not allowed.
Yeah, I didn't say you could. I said it'd be nice if you could.
Yeah, but you're not allowed.
Go hunting in the night for some squirrels to eat.
Really?
Squirrels pie, nice, isn't it?
This is a children's programme.
Everyone wants a bit of squirrel pie.
Big children's programme. That concludes our little trip for today.
Yes, we hope you've enjoyed the walk around the waterfalls.
Yeah, and Craig falling in.
And
You
before
didn't
then,
see that.
I'm really sorry we didn't record that. We saw the aftermath, and it was cold and wet. I did that all for you. So if you want to see more of that, then join in the channel, like, subscribe, and follow. Give us a
Leave
comment.
comment.
And we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Bye.